Hello everyone and welcome to this video. In this video I'll be solving the FreeCodeCamp daily code challenge called 24 to 12. So it says given a string representing a time of the day, don't worry about the noise. There are people blasting rocks, I think, for um, digging purposes. So it says given a string representing a time of the day in the 24-hour format of HHMM, return the time in its equivalent 12-hour format of H colon MM and then AM or PM. The given input will always be a 4-digit string in 24-hour time format from 00 to 2359. And then we have some test cases. So my first intuition is to let me just copy that. Is to have a boolean value. Um, what can I call it? Is AM or PM, and I'll just set that to false. So what this will do is it will just update based on whether I've confirmed that the input string is AM or PM. And I think the first thing to do is let's see. So I believe this should extract um, the last two items in our string, because the problem says that it will always be a a string with 4 characters. So we should probably also just have a check. So this should just check the size or the length of the input, just so we don't have random inputs by users. So I was just testing this error over here, this error handler, and it's working. So my algorithm is working, and this is how I've done it. I've split the array into, the text into an array, and then I access the first two elements, um, which represent the minutes, and then the last two elements, which represent the hours. Sorry, vice versa, vice versa. What I've just said, but vice versa. And then I check if the hours have a 0 at the beginning like that, which indicates that it's AM, otherwise it's PM. And then in the output, I just combine all of these things, and then this boolean value determines if it's going to be AM or PM. And then lastly, I just join this array, and it creates a string. And if we look at the output, it looks like that, which satisfies our test criteria. I hope you enjoyed watching, and as always, I'll have the code repository and the challenge link in the description below.